Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add social media icons to your business card in Vistaprint. All right, so first up, go log to your Vistaprint account. Now, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and create a new business card right here. Upload design. Standard, maybe rounded, horizontal, maybe vertical. Hit on next. I'm just going to close this one. I'm going to go ahead and click on create my design right here at the bottom. Like so. Just wait for it. Now let's just go ahead and go to images. Okay. As you can see here, I do have my Instagram icon right here. Now let's just go ahead and add in some more. Okay. To do it, just open up a new tab. Now look for example, Facebook logo. Hit on enter. Now go ahead over to images. Make sure that you use an image that doesn't have this icon. Okay. Licensable. So for example, this one's from Wikipedia. Just right click on it. As you can see here, it is actually an SVG and it got a transparent background. So just right click on it and click on save image as. Save it wherever you want. We'll go ahead and save it on my desktop. Now another one may be a Twitter or X now. X logo. Maybe this one. Okay, right click. Save image as. Desktop. Save. Another one may be Snapchat. Okay. Snapchat logo. Maybe this one right here. Right click, save image as, desktop. Okay. Once you have downloaded all logos, you can now go ahead and go to Vistaprint Studio. Upload from this device. Select all. Hit on open. Wait for it to download. Like so. And here in the editor, just go ahead and use these points if you wanted to shrink the icon or rotate it. Okay. Shrink. Put it wherever you want. Just like so. All right. X right here. And Instagram. And there you have it. That's how you add social media icons to your business card here in Vistaprint. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.